Good afternoon, everybody. Well, it's afternoon for me. Right now it is it's Wednesday, September 30th in Tokyo. Um, Tokyo's getting ready to open in 45 minutes. Just wanted to go over what I posted yesterday and why and where to and wherefores and whatnot. Um, on why I like the formations yesterday and what I'm looking at today. Yesterday, real quick, here on the pound yen, we had this squeeze. We had the price squeezing up against this 142.50 area, and made a break at Tokyo Open and rode up. If you would have seen my postings on the Forex Factory thread, which is Cool Runnings thread, where I've been doing some posting, you'd see that I got out at 22 with 60 pips on that move. Here was the Euro Yen formation that also formed yesterday. This wasn't as clear as a formation, and I just liked the way the pound yen was setting up. We'll go back to that. I just liked the way it was setting up. It was moving to each sides of the range. You can see here on the Euro Yen that it was more following this line up, but it wasn't coming and touching the top of the range, and wasn't getting as much price action in there. So I just like the way this was setting up better, and the penchant for the pound yen to move a little better is why I took this trade. Today, going into Tokyo, you see we got another squeeze forming up against 143.95. Originally on the blog I had posted, it was more of a consolidation squeeze. It was moving sideways, but now it's pressing this upper level, so I corrected the formation here. So now we've just got a squeeze forming up against this 143.95, 144 area. So a break up above 144 would be something to watch, and maybe take a trade. I just don't like this area of resistance so close at 144.34. I'd rather see it break down because it's got a little more room to run after it clears this weekly pivot here, and run down to 143. That's almost 60 pip gap there. So I'd like to see that run down to 143. 143 showed some support over here and over here, but if it could make it past 143, then we've got even more room to run to this level from yesterday down to 142.52, which would be a nice move. So that's what I'm looking for. I'd really like to see this break down in the next half hour to 45 minutes just before Tokyo opens, and ride that down. The Euro Yen is also forming a consolidation of sorts. I just don't like how it's this was kind of a fake out. We had a little fake out on this candle here. I'm just calling it a fake out just because it was forming a nice bottom line, and then this broke through. And this bottom line here was forming, but that made a big poke through. So I just don't like, I'm going to call this a false spike. I just don't like that spike. So it kind of throws this formation off. That's why I'm leaning toward the pound yen formation here going into Tokyo. So anyway, guys, I'm sorry for my absence from posting. Just been really busy. I've been missing a lot of the moves because they've been happening so quick. Formations haven't been forming as nicely. And with the live trade room going into London, I just don't find myself with a lot of time to prepare a video before I have to go into the live trade room. So guys, go to the blog. We read about the live trade room at the top of the page. There's 20 spaces available every evening. We're getting about 10 to 12 people every evening, which is a core group of guys, really good traders, and it's just a great place to socialize. And yes, we do live trades in there, and just come in, check it out if you'd like to. Hope you find this useful. I'm glad to be back and posting again. So anyway, guys, you have a good trading day, and we'll talk to you soon.